Hey everyone, welcome to V Does Tech. My name is Vaughn. Today I'm going to show you how to check to see why your computer is running slow and how to make it faster. So today, this is my Windows 11 computer. We're going to go ahead and start by going to the Start button at the top right. And we're going to type in Disk Cleanup. So Disk Cleanup is where basically you're going to see that any files that are stored in your cache or on your computer that just slow things down are stored. Now, it's like having a trash can, like you have the recycling bin on your desktop, but this is a little different because these are files and things you just don't see. So I clean mine pretty often. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll through. It says you can use it to free up 1.7 gigs. Not bad. If you have more than that to free up, please do it. That's great. So anyway, we've got a list of where those files are going to be at. I've selected all of them, which gives me my 1.7 gigs. So now that I've selected all of this, I'm going to press OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Now, these are not files that you've stored like documents. They're not images. They're not programs you've installed. These are just files that are stored on your computer when you try to install something, when you put something on there. It's just trash, literally. And it's going to help free your computer a lot. So we're going to run that. If you have a lot more than me, that's okay. But what we're going to do is while we're waiting on this, oh, that was quick actually. Sometimes it takes a while to run, which is perfectly fine. But we're going to go ahead and go to the next part, which is our defragmentation. So I'm going to type in DEFRAG. This is called defragment and optimize drives. So what this does is it's another cleanup. So I have my drive here. It's been 5 days since I last ran it. Now usually you have to hit analyze to analyze if whether or not it's going to need to do it. Otherwise you hit optimize and it cleans your hard drive. Cleaning your hard drive is good to have on a schedule as well. So that way your computer is cleaning itself and regulating itself. So you don't have to worry about this over time. So change settings. If I want it running weekly, I can. If I want it running daily, I can. Monthly, however I want it to look. And I can decide which drives I want it to be as well. I only have a C drive, but that's okay. So there we go. That takes care of taking care of that part. So now we're going to jump on to the next part, which is our startup programs. Now, our startup programs are the programs that start up with our computers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Windows again. I'm going to type in Start Up Apps. Now, these are all of the apps that start up when my computer starts up. So if your computer starts up slow and it takes forever to turn on, this is going to be part of the issue. But I want you to think too very carefully about what you do and do not disable. Just keep in mind that if you mess something up, that's not on me. This is all on you, so just listen very carefully. Okay? So, the Asus mouse agents, I have an Asus computer, so I will not disable that because that is part of the mouse that runs my computer. So if I disable that from startup, then my mouse will probably not work. So only disable the things that you know what they are and can get rid of. I have Microsoft Teams disabled, which is great because I can actually keep that off. Mobile devices, people, phone link. I don't know what Plarium Play is, but I'm not going to disable that until I know what that is. So, because it might mess some stuff up. WhatsApp is not starting up either. iTunes. And you might have a lot more programs on here if you have an older computer or a lot of other files on there too. But if you do not know what the program is, do a Google search